नमस्कार दोस्तों। गूगल रास्ता दिखाने के लिए बिल्कुल ठीक है, पर इन्वेस्टमेंट टिप्स के लिए मे बी नॉट। अलेक्सा गाना बजाने के लिए बहुत अच्छी है, पर फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर के बारे में उससे नहीं पूछ सकते। When it comes to your money, you deserve the guidance and experience of experts. This is where Stockel's Stacks come in. Stacks are pre-configured stock baskets and ETF portfolios that you can invest in with one click. Pre-configured by who, you ask? By experts who know what's best for investors like you. Experts like experienced portfolio managers, hedge funds managers, wealth asset management firms. Here are two big reasons why you should invest or you should consider investing in Stockel's Stacks. सबसे पहले तो you can invest in US equities and diversify your investments, all without the headache of vetting each stock. दूसरा, quarterly rebalancing. Every stock or ETF in the stack is analyzed based on the performance each quarter and rebalanced to give you the best results. पिछले कुछ सालों से इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स की चर्चा हो रही है। आपने या बातें सुनी होंगी या चर्चा में पार्ट भी लिया होगा। इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स इज एन इमर्जिंग सेक्टर और आने वाले वक्त में यह सेक्टर तेजी से बढ़ेगा। यू कैन गेन एक्सपोजर टू दिस सेक्टर थ्रू स्टॉकल्स इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल स्टैक। फ्रॉम बैटरीज टू ऑटोनोमस व्हीकल्स, दिस स्टैक कवर्स एवरीथिंग। द स्टॉक्स आर ऑलवेज चोजन केयरफुली with long-term investment outcomes in mind. Stockel stacks दो किस्म के होते हैं, stock stacks and ETF stacks. ETF stacks help you invest in funds and indexes from the US to global markets. You must be curious. कौन से फैक्टर्स देखकर एक कंपनी को किसी भी स्टैक में इंक्लूड या एक्सक्लूड किया जाता है? Our experts look at a company's upside potential, low equity to debt ratio, sales growth, R&D, and much more while curating a stack. Asset manager के rationale भी आपके साथ share किए जाते हैं. Take your own call on whether the investment is right for you. The EV stack is not the only one. Stockel offers 19 stacks across different sectors and themes. Some of the top performing are US Tech Blue Chip Portfolio. This stack gives you exposure to pure technology internet companies. Through OmniScience AI/OT stack, you can put your money in disruptive technology such as AI, IoT, 5G, and robotics. Through the Global Innovation stack, you can get exposure to companies focused on innovation and industry disruption. While investing in a stack, you can check historic returns. Clearly see what returns you can expect in a stack. Risk level. Invest based on the investment appetite. Risk indicators. Check CAGR, Sharpe ratio, VAR and other technical details. तो किस बात की वेट कर रहे हैं आप? Invest in US equities through expertly curated stacks. Check out Stockel today and download the app. Available for both Android and iOS. Catch up to the future, diversify your portfolio, and find new investment opportunities. Investments in the securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Take care.